welcome to a new video brought to you by To Explore California. My name is Luis, and it is Sunday morning here north of Los Angeles in the city of Topanga, also known as Canoga Park. As you can see, it is this afternoon, and we finally got some rain. Thank God. It's great that we can feel better because we've been without rain for a couple of months now. Not just that, but thank God that this is going to help out all those situations with the fires that are going on around. So if you're driving around in Los Angeles, stay safe. And this is just a short clip that I wanted to do as I am heading north here in the city of Canoga Park, California. Enjoy the weekend and stay tuned for new videos coming up soon.